Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. I hope you're enjoying your day and your lessons. That's great. Okay, so remember we are learning about alphabets. This is our literacy class, and we have learned about alphabets, their sounds and their names and the vocabulary, how many words starts with the things, right? And we have seen so many pictures and the words and the sound and all, right? So what happened that came a problem, and the problem was that there are some of the alphabets which were feeling lonely and they wanted to make friends. What do you do when you feel lonely? You call your friends, you meet your friends, you go out playing with your friends, you go cycling, you go to park, and you feel good. And what if you don't have friends? What if they're not in the town? What if they are gone somewhere? Or maybe they are ill, or maybe they are having some exams or something, and maybe if you cannot meet them, yes, we don't feel good about that, right? So there are a couple of alphabets who were not feeling comfortable, were feeling alone, and they wanted to make some new friends. See, we were learning about alphabet. We were coming up with like A and B and C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. We did till I, right? And they were all individuals. They were all coming alone. So they were all alone, but some of them were very alone. So they came to me and said, please help us make new friends. So I said, okay, I will help you to make new friends, right? So I called alphabets and asked if we want to be friends with these letters or these alphabets. So they were all happy and they wanted to give it a try. So let's see if we can be friends with some of the alphabets. Okay. So I'm going to show you that I came along with A. A was feeling very lonely and he wanted to make new friends. So I said, okay, let's come along. So the A came and said, okay, so whom would I can be friends? I asked him, let's find out. So here came an alphabet and he said, okay, let me try that out if I can be friend with A. So let's see which was that alphabet. N. N said, I will be an F. I will be friend with A. So let's say, what sound do we make? So A and N made and. Wow. When they came together, they made another sound. A and N made and. So all the alphabets got excited and they said, okay, let us see if we can be friends. So came Mr. T. He said, okay, let's find out if I can be friend with Mr. A. So they made another sound. A and T makes at. Yes, they made a sound and that is at. Then came Mr. S. He said, let's see, find out if we can make a sound, a new one, and be a very good friends. So they came together and A and S make as. Yes, as. And, at, and as. Yes. Now there was another. Mr. M said, I want to give it a try. And then he came and he said, okay, let's find out what sound we can make. So A and M made am. Yes. A and M made am. And then came Mr. P. He said, let's find out if I can also make a new sound. So A and P, app. That's very good. So they made all new sounds like an, at, as, am, and apt. So they were all very happy that we find friends and we find new sounds as well, right? So that was very good. So they were all very happy and excited. So then came Mr. E and he said, let's see if I can even make friends because I am also lonely and I don't feel good about it. So please help me even make new friends. I said, okay, let's see if we can find friends for you too. Okay, so what we did that we said, okay, now came Mr. N. So Mr. N said, okay, so we will be friends. So made a new sound, E and N, N. Yes. Then came B. And they made a new sound, E and B made ebb. Then came Mr. G, and they made E and G egg. And then came Mr. T, and they made a sound E and T et. What did they make? E and T et. Yes. Okay, we made so many friends. So they were all happy. And then came Mr. I. He said, I also want to be friends. I don't want to be left alone. I said, I want to be friends with all other letters. I don't want to be alone. I'm feeling alone, right? So I said, okay, so let's try. So came Mr. F. He said, okay, let's find out if we can make a sound. And that makes if. Yes, they both made a new sound, if. And then let's find out who came. Mr. T again. And he said, I also want to be friend with Mr. I as well. And let's see what sound do we make. And they made it. Yay. At, it. Yay. And let's see who came. Mr. B. And he said, let's make a new sound. And I and B made ib. Ib. Yes. Then came Mr. S. And he said, let's make, if we can make another sound. And they make is. As with A, he make as. And with I, he make is. Yes. And then came Mr. N again. He said, I want to be with I as well. And I and in make in. A and N made an. E and N made N. And I and in made in. And N in. See, so I helped all of them to make new friends. So now let's repeat it again, okay? A and N made an, A, T, at, A, S, as, A, M, am, A, P, app, right? Then E, N, N, E, B, ebb, E, G, egg, E, T, et, I, F, if, I, T, it, I, B, ib, I, S, is, and I, N, in. Yay! See? So it's good to make friends and it's good to help people make friends so they will not be alone and they'll be happy because they're going to make something very new with the friends, right? So see, when were they alone, they had different sounds, and when they came together, they make new and different sounds. So they're all happy, and I was also happy, and I hope you all happy, right? So this was our literacy class in which we helped Alphabet make new friends and make new sounds, right? So I hope, and I want to remind you to just put a subscribe button, click on that, yes, and give it a thumbs up. And then please do share it with all of your friends. Share all of our videos to your friends, okay? So I'll say goodbye to all my friends right now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye and see you soon, okay? Right. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm going. I'll see you soon, right? Okay.